across where strangers meet, faces gathered side by side, each holding stories deep inside. The city hums, the wheels turn slow, through avenues they long to know. A shared adventure come alive, as curious hearts begin to thrive. Through every window scenes unfold, new colors bright, new tales untold. The laughter warm, the questions fair, a sense of wonder fills the air. Each passenger with open eyes learns something new beneath the skies. For when we travel hand in hand, the world becomes more rich, more grand. A crowded bus, yet room to grow, with every mile, with every show.